What if I told you that building a single airplane costs over $100 million and wreck inside massive factories? Some of the most advanced machines on Earth come together piece by piece until they become giants of the sky. Today, we're going inside one of these incredible facilities to uncover how. From commercial jets to advanced aircraft, every single component must meet strict SF. That's why aircraft manufacturing is one of the most, and it all starts with raw. Before an airplane even begins to take shape, thousands of parts are produced across different facilities. High-strength aluminum, titanium, and carbon fiber are carefully selected for their durability and lightweight properties. These materials are cut, molded, and tested to extreme limits: heat, pressure, and stress, ensuring they can survive the harsh conditions of flight. Even the smallest bolt must meet exact specifications. Because in aviation, precision is everything. Next comes one of the most impressive stages: building the aircraft structure. Gigantic sections like the fuselage, wings, and tail are assembled separately before being brought together. Inside enormous hangars, cranes lift these massive components into position with millimeter accuracy. Workers and robotic systems carefully join each section, fastening thousands of rivets to create a structure strong enough to handle extreme forces in the air. At this stage, the airplane finally begins to look like an airplane. But a plane is much more than just its body. Inside the fuselage, miles of wiring, hydraulic systems, and advanced electronics are installed. This includes everything from navigation systems to flight controls, essentially the brain and nervous system of the aircraft. Engineers work in tight spaces, connecting complex systems that must function flawlessly together. Because once this aircraft takes off, there's no room for error. Now comes the heart of the aircraft: the engines. These powerful machines are carefully mounted under the wings, capable of producing incredible thrust. Each engine alone can cost millions of dollars and must be installed with absolute precision. After that, the aircraft undergoes final assembly, including landing gear, interiors, and cockpit systems. From passenger seats to pilot controls, everything is checked, double-checked, and tested. Before it ever leaves the ground, the airplane must pass a series of intense tests. Engine runs, pressure tests, and system checks ensure everything works perfectly. Then comes the ultimate moment: the first flight. Test pilots take the aircraft into the sky, pushing it to its limits to confirm it's safe and ready. Only after passing every test is the airplane approved for service. From raw materials to a flying machine worth over $100 million, the journey of building an airplane is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a combination of human skill, cutting-edge technology, and relentless precision. And the next time you board a plane, you'll know exactly what it took to get you into the sky.